Motion View is designed to tell the story about items. While we are a device-agnostic architecture, and we can absorb information from temperature sensors and humidity sensors, the primary purpose is to tell the story about tracked items. In this case, we have a situation where we have some distribution on the West Coast, some manufacturing on the West Coast, some distribution in the middle of the country, and a retail center in Atlanta on the East Coast. Let's take a look at the items and maybe some information about what we can track with the item. Over here on the left panel, we're capturing information such as the item unique identifier, EPCs, barcodes, etc. The last time this item was scanned, where it was scanned at. Again, we can upscale legacy devices by attaching a GPS location to them so that we know when items come through that reader. We can attach a category, and we can also attach a state. In this case, we have some received, we have some on the retail floor, and we have some that are scanned. If this item is a box that has a quantity inside of it, we can capture that quantity as well. Although, we present our APIs to other systems such as SAP and Oracle, as well as other WMS systems. Our objective is to be a lightweight center of intelligence so that the data can come into Motion View and then be used by all of the other business intelligence softwares. Let's take a look at a particular item. I'm going to search for an item up here. We have an EPC. We see that it's a temperature tag. And now we have the information. We know where this item was. We also know the material or the category of this item. We also know the item state was scanned. It could be in process, maybe part of our manufacturing. We've attached a description and quantity. Let's say, for example, this was a particular item that had a department number attached to it. In this case, via our API or here on the web interface, we can add a custom field. And I could say my department number. I can also come in, and maybe this is a company asset, and we can attach a company asset number to it. Custom fields are very powerful. They allow the user to store as much meta information about an item or items as they need to do their business intelligence and their business logic. We can also see the processed timeline of where this device has been and how it's transited through the system and through multiple different places and spaces.